Holy cow. It's written there. It is. We all made it. As I look around, this is not the wedding you wanted, but it's beautiful. You've got your friends and family who mean the most to you. You've consolidated down to this thing with so much grace. It is really unbelievable.
I offend my honor.
Today we have come together to witness the joining of these two lives. For them, out of the routine of ordinary life, the extraordinary has happened. They met each other, fell in love, and are finalizing it with their wedding.
You're my miracle.
Sam, I can't believe all these people are here today because 6 years ago, my new neighbor decided to crash a random Saturday night party. We've been through so much together since then, and I can't wait to see where the life that we're creating with each other takes us.
This is my favorite dream.
Brian, you are my today and all of my tomorrows. As Michael Bublé says in his song, haven't met you yet, and someday I know it'll all turn out, and you'll make me work to work it out. Well, guess what, baby boo? Today's that day that it all turned out, and that you and I have worked to work it out. I love you.
I've been keeping my head down for our sake.
Brian, you are the love of my life. I have enjoyed watching this relationship between you and Sam grow and see how that has impacted you and your personal growth as well. For example, you make bread. I'm forever proud of you. I love you forever.
Samantha and Brian, you have heard the words about love and marriage, have exchanged your vows and made your promises, and celebrated your union with the giving and receiving of rings. It is at this time that I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may now kiss the bride.
Congratulations, everyone.
Selfish with all the wrong things.
Your child's wedding is one of your proudest moments as a parent. Brian and Sam, this is a wonderful day, and while there are only 20 people here, your wedding is in the hearts and minds of many. And on this day, as you commit to one another, I offer you both a life lesson. Love each other, be patient, be kind, say I love you and mean it, and most of all, call your mother.
Sam, thank you for going first, showing me how to do things, all things life, including this. Thanks to you and Brian, I have witnessed another case of unconditional love, and I couldn't be happier to be a part of this. So everyone pick up your glass. Cheers to forever. And buckle up, Brian, you got a wife and a sister.